going to turn the bubblers on. Don't catch them yet, Fisher. Get some oxygen going in for them. I put 2 on just to kind of get it to really go. Oops.
No.
And then Catch 'em All Minnow is going to help me catch these and put them here in the tote.
Here?
Yeah, put them in there. Good job. Uh-oh, the koi got stuck. Wait. It got stuck on its little, there we go. There you go. Those are the last 2, and now we're gonna get more. I'll start recording again once I have them all in the tote. Okay, Fisher and I had ended up getting all the fish out of the pond. Some of my goldfish and some of my koi's are a really decent size, so I added them to the big pond. This is the last little bit that we just caught out of this pond. So we're gonna go add them to the tote, and we're gonna start draining the water out of this and scooping up the rocks, and hopefully get this out. I don't think I'll get everything done today, but I'm gonna definitely try. So now that all the fish are gone, I'm gonna take the net and I'm gonna kind of sift the rocks out a little bit, put them in the bucket, and start filling these buckets up with the rocks. And then that way I should be able to drain this out a lot easier. Now I'm not gonna wanna clean the rocks too much. I'll just give them a little rinse off, get some of like these leaves and sticks that are in there out, because I kind of want some of that good bacteria that's collected up on these rocks to stay on these rocks. Like this, sift. Now I'm gonna do that about 50 times and we'll see you guys back soon. So I got the majority of all the rocks out except for little crumbles down there. I put the pond pump back in here, and I'm going to plug it in so it can pump the rest of this water out so I don't break my back scooping buckets of water. And I have it going towards the tree to water the tree. So the pump is on. Got some water going out to the trees. Look at it draining that water so quick. That is definitely a lot better than me breaking my back. But yep, I'll get this all drained and get this taken down. Might have to move a plant or 2 out of the way, but that's no problem. Let's see how this works. Starting to get to the low point. Might have to turn it sideways to suck up more water. Okay guys, that pump did fantastic. It got it as low as it could possibly go. Now I can scoop a little bit more out with the bucket, and this should be able to come right up with no problem. So the fish are doing good so far. They've been in here for about 30 minutes now. Got the pleco over here, he's doing good. I just got the fence taken down, so I'll take you over there and go show you what it looks like. So I got the fence thing all taken down. I gotta do a little bit more cleaning up. I trimmed up the tree a little bit. I'm hoping I don't have to move this guy right here, but I am definitely going to have to move this banana tree. Get the pond picked up, get everything kind of leveled out and stuff again, and work on it from that. So I got the pond taken out. I moved a banana tree that was there and the little banana tree that was here. I have them in planterns. I'll rehome them to somewhere new in this area. But I'm gonna go get the rototiller right now. I'm gonna rototill all this up so I can have like one leveled, clean slate and start over new. We'll be back. So I have the rototiller here. It's my mom's rototiller, and to be quite honest, I'm actually terrified of this thing because sometimes if it hooks onto a root, it just kind of like, it just goes. But I'm gonna rototill about the border that I want to have a whole new pond and turtle set up. I'm gonna do my best to avoid the trees. I'll do a perimeter around them because I don't need to go that close to the trees or anything. But yeah, I'm gonna get all this, make it all nice, soft, dirt, clean up all the grass and weeds that are in it, and hopefully I can start getting it put together. Maybe I can do a small clip of this real quick and show you guys. So you have to push this button in and you squeeze this lever and it's gonna go. So we're gonna push the button. Not sure how well I am gonna be one-handed. So there's just a little example on what it does. I'm not gonna try pushing this around one-handed. It's definitely not safe to do that. But you get to see it rotates, it kicks everything up, it'll loosen all the grass and all the weeds. So I'll be able to take that out, and then I'll get all this flattened. I don't know if I have any tarps or not. I think I do have some tarps, but I'll get that laid out, and then I wanna do kind of like a rock border around here so that way it keeps the weeds and grass from growing in. Like before, I used to be able to go and pick it out, but over the year of me taking care of my dad and helping him out with stuff and what he was going through, I lost time and everything quickly kind of got out of hand. I only really had enough time to clean the pond and, you know, feed the fish. I didn't really have much time to go around and clean all the little leaves and prune everything up. But to make it less of a hassle, hopefully I can get a tarp down, get rocks down, and then this area I'm gonna scrape the layer of dirt away. And since I want this to be around like the turtle area, you know, the turtles will have some shade, a tree, and they'll have some dirt and whatnot to go and do whatever it is that they want to do, but get some new dirt on the top of this, clean dirt. Not like this isn't clean, but you know, new fresh dirt, maybe some sand and stuff, and get their area all set up for them. And we'll keep on working at this. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, so I got the area all rotor-tilled up, and it just looks like one huge, gigantic mess. All the dirt's all nice and soft and loose. It's ripped out most of the grass. The rest I should be able to pull out by hand, but I'm gonna go ahead and start raking everything, basically sifting out all the crappy stuff and get everything all laid flat, and then start blueprinting or lining out my new idea for everything. But yeah, but I went from this little post to this little post of a pond, because hypothetically back in the day, it used to be my little banana tree forest garden. But I wanted a pond really bad, and my mom was moving, and that's the pond that she gave to me, and my husband turned it into a goldfish, minnow, platy pond, and then we ended up buying koi's and stuff, and that's what we all had them started in this. It's relaxing to me. I loved my pond, and now I'm just looking to make it better. So I'm gonna go from here straight out all the way over. So now this is gonna be like a huge 10 by 15 by 10 area. I'll have the two ponds right here, and like I said, somehow I'm gonna have it going from water going to the filter and the filter returning into the one pond back into the next pond, so it's all on one system. And then I'm gonna go across from there to here to there and make that the whole turtle area, because we have a yellow belly slider turtle, and then we have the two mud turtles, and that's it. Oh yeah, and the little soft shell. We have a small soft shell that's about like this big, and we'll do a little pond and stuff here for them, and we'll make it where they can get in and out of the pond and do whatever it is turtles like to do on the land. And now Diver's gonna help me, aren't you? Yes, you are. So let's start raking.